Okay, guys, I just want to say I'm proud of you for making it this far. Obviously, if you've made it this far, then you're pretty understanding of all the other lessons, and I think you get enough to get to this part, obviously. Okay? This is going to be a very important one. I know I say that every time, but this is going to be a very fucking important one. It's going to show you how to tie everything together. I mean, this is where the trading really takes place. Okay? So, how do we tie all this together? It's simple. And when I tell you this, you're going to be like, holy shit, it's really that simple. You look for 3 confirmations. You look for 2 confirmations, but you never look at 1 confirmation. You want to have anywhere from 2 to 5 confirmations. Now, what does that mean? Okay, check this out. I want to see this trend, right? This trend I see being created, okay? Beautiful trend. Love it. But why would I take this trade? There's no reason for me to take this trade based on it just being a trend. No way. You can't do that. But let's say you see this trend and you see this little bit of support, right? Now this trade looks a lot more healthy. This looks like a more profitable or probable trade, right? Because not only do you have a trend line, you also have that support. So you got double confirmations. But, I mean, I like it, but let me draw my fib. Let's draw my fib. Okay, I see a rejection in this zone. I see rejections near this zone. Right, in this golden zone, I see rejections. So wait, 3 confirmations. Not only do I have my support, I have my trend, I have my fib zone being touched. This is a nice trade. I want to get in this trade. So we'd enter here. How do you know what your take profit's going to be? Well, if you think this is the trend, you think this thing can go forever. So let's just target this former high. Just in case price gets stuck up there, let's target this former high. And you see this could be resistance because it's kind of been wicked here. I mean, come on now, it's obvious. Look. Boom. So we're going to target this area just in case price rejects again. It's very simple. This is our target area. For our stop loss, we're going to have us a nice little tight stop loss because we believe it's on a trend. We believe it's on support. So if it breaks below that support, wouldn't it kind of just break everything that we believe in here? It would break our fib. It would break everything. So let's just go right here. We're going to put this just below this last wick. Because if it goes down to this area and it keeps dropping, I mean, why would you want to stay in that trade anyways? Obviously, price did not respect you. So check this out. 62.7 pips to a 256 pip gain. Guys, that's risk to reward ratio of a 4. I mean, this is 1 to 4. Your stop loss is worth 4 wins. So if you get this win, you can afford to lose 4 more times in a row and you will be break even. It's so simple. Look what happened. Price came up, wicked in that resistance zone, and came back down. Yeah, it did go back up eventually, but after that wick, we got out. We took our profit. We're looking for another setup. We're letting the market come to us. Look how simple this is, guys. I saw my trend, I saw my support, and I saw my fib zone. I targeted that recent resistance area as my take profit. Stop loss just below all these different confirmations, because if it breaks these confirmations, I don't want to be in this trade anymore. It's so easy, guys. It's so easy. It's so simple. And if you keep this good risk management, you can almost never lose. You can almost never lose. How can you lose when your take profit is 4 times your stop loss? How can you lose? 2 wins, and it's going to take 8 losses in a row to bring you back to even. 10 trades, all you got to do is win 3 of them, and you are profitable. Come on, guys. It's simple. Put in the work, back test, practice, get familiar with these markets, and beautiful things are going to happen for you. Beautiful things are going to happen for you. This is the chance of a lifetime, and I don't want you guys to miss anything here. Now, I took this trade here that I just showed you with no divergence showing. No divergence showing whatsoever. Look at this. I don't see no divergence. I didn't need to see divergence. But if you can add some divergence to this, dude, it's over. Once you start learning to add these divergences to your price action, it's fucking over. It'll be the easiest shit you've ever seen in your life. Check this out. We have an uptrend being created here. We'll draw it from these wicks, right? Draw it from these wicks. But look at this. Get this out of my way. Look at this. Higher lows compared to lower lows. What is this? This is bullish hidden divergence. This is trend continuation. The trend is going to continue. And what did it do from that point? It continued. How would we draw our stop loss and take profit? So with this one, we see this is a very heavy zone. Okay? Very heavy zone in this area that it wicks off of. Wicked off of it there. It wicked off of it there where you're entering. It's broken through a couple times, right? But it's okay. Check this out. This is easily a start of an uptrend. Let's set our take profit and our stop loss. We entered here because this is where we caught it. We want to target this zone because we can see some resistance in this area. For our stop loss, what are we going to do? We're going to go just below this zone because it's already wicked right here a couple times. I don't believe it's going to come back. I don't. 20 pip stop loss, 60 pip gain. 3 losses are the equivalent of 1 gain or 1 win with this setup. Look at this divergence. Look at the support system. Look what the market did. Shot up. Take profit smashed. Easy. It's very simple, guys. You guys need a back test. You have to back test, okay? You have to. If you don't back test, don't expect to win. Practice. Demo account this and keep at it. And I promise you, it gets simpler and simpler the more you do it. Okay? I've been in your guys' shoes. I know how hard it can be. But if you practice with this strategy, you're going to be successful. Look at this. In this area, we have some support. Both sides. Broke through. Retested. Look at this. Let's draw our Fibonacci. Where are we going to draw our Fibonacci from? Not down here, but right here because, look, price came down. This is where that price push happened. So we're going to take it from here to here. Look at this. Golden zone is being wicked in hard on some support. This shit is going to skyrocket. And what did it do? Put our take profit to this former wick. Put our stop loss below this support. Look at that. 15 pip stop loss for a 74 pip gain. 1-to-5 ratio. It would take 5 losses in a row to hurt you after getting 1 win. Look at this, guys. This is serious shit. Once you're in this area, what are you going to do? Stop loss to break even. You're up 25, 30 pips. Stop loss to break even. Let it ride out. Once it gets up here, take profit's been hit already. Golden. It's not hard, guys. It's really not. I really want you guys to look for 3 confirmations per trade. Nice tight stop loss and a big take profit. Stop losses to break even after 30 pips. And watch what happens, guys. Okay? Practice, practice, back test. You got this, and I believe in you, okay? You got this.